Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pedicure kits that are available on the market for their true quality. My personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Professional Electric Nail Drill Set. KEDSUM Professional Nail Drill also ranks as one of the best pedicure kits. It's a good choice for home as well as professional use. The high-quality professional-looking piece suits beginners and professionals. Moreover, it has a functional styling and works okay on both right as well as left-handed users. The electric unit has decent power and will easily work on the nails. It trims, polishes, files, removes calluses, and much more. And with a variable speed of between 500 and 20,000 RPM, you'll always find something that works okay for a specific application. It's a silent running unit, hence suitable even in quiet surroundings or at nighttime. Besides, it's compact and also very portable. You can, therefore, take it along with you on your travels. It comprises aviation aluminum alloy, which is known for its strength and lightweight. At the same time, it helps to quickly dissipate the heat. This keeps the unit cool and also extends its lifespan. It comes with 6 optional standard 3/32" sanding bands. The pieces are effective in eliminating calluses, corns, excess cuticles, buffing nails, shaping nails, as well as filing. They attach easily in the gadget and remain intact. For easy reach to power, the unit comes with a long power cord. It runs via 100 to 240 volts AC power, hence useful anywhere in the world. It's also not a heavy unit and you won't have challenges using it for a long period. Moving on, at number 4, we have the ersonal Manicure and Pedicure Set. The Grooming Nail Clipper Set has 12 items and is appropriate for the residence as well as travel. It is professionally made, sturdy, and will deliver good results fast. Moreover, it's very simple in design, and this makes using it very easy. We love its compact and lightweight, which improves the handling. Besides, it comes with a wonderful case that is made from tough materials. It will protect the items from dust, bangs, abrasion, damage, and much more. Also, it improves the organization and also has easy access to the questions. The pieces are of high quality and comprise of sanitary stainless steel. Therefore, they won't break, bend, or come apart easily. And as you probably know, the material is resistant to corrosion, rust, and is also easy to clean. Therefore, the items will remain clean and sanitary always. Some of the items include nail clippers, multi-purpose scissors, loop remover, blackhead needle, cuticle trimmer, nail file, ear pick, and eyebrow tweezers. What's more, the pack is compact to suit small areas. This also allows you to carry it more conveniently. The stylish nature combines well with the surrounding. Thanks to the instructions found inside, you will certainly have little problem utilizing it. And if you use it carefully, this item will offer you good service for a very long time. At number 3, we have the Professional Nail Clippers Kit. With the best pedicure kit, you'll be able to easily restore your feet back to their earlier beautiful appearance. Kibi Saitom unit is convenient to use and is okay for the home. It has a superb exfoliating power that aids in getting rid of calluses, corns, and also discolorations. This improves the appearance as well as the health of the nails and feet. Additionally, it improves the all-natural look and the smoothness of the nails. This definitely will improve your self-confidence, and you'll be more comfortable to wear open-toe footwear or sandals. The device has a simple design and will be fine for both new along with experienced individuals. The components fit nicely for simple access to. Besides, it comprises 12 pieces and each is of high quality. The unit is multifunctional and proves useful for a pedicure, manicure, facial care, and much more. The piece maintains its sharpness for a long period, and this provides consistent results. Moreover, the ergonomic framework boosts your hold and also control. The excellent quality item functions alright in lots of setups. These consist of residence, salon, health facility, and travel also. Also, it is lightweight and this improves movement and handling. The item looks wonderful and is suitable for both males and females. For proper carrying and safe storage, you also get a high-quality case made of PU leather. At number 2, we have the professional stainless steel nail clipper travel and grooming kit. Kibi Saitom kit will boost your feet's appearance as well as wellness. It's an attractive item and likewise extremely simple to utilize. A beginner will have no challenges whatsoever. The nice ergonomic style helps to deal with man-made or all-natural nails. You can use the devices for grinding, shaping, honing, or fine filing. In all the procedures, it functions quite well and also you'll obtain expert outcomes quickly. It comprises 15 pieces to take care of all the needs. And since it's made of stainless steel, you can be sure of its strength as well as durability. Moreover, it's also very hygienic and won't cause any infection or side effects. The material, together with the smooth finish, makes cleaning and wiping it easy. It's tough and will deal with the task and also runs silently. This allows you to focus on the task in hands. We love the versatile nature that also suits it for a manicure. Additionally, you get a nice case for easy storage, organization, and handling. It comprises nice-looking PU leather and high-quality fabric. It's also a compact piece and will fit nicely in a small space. What's more, it looks elegant and will thus make a nice gift item. And finally at number 1, we have the 24-piece professional manicure and pedicure nail drill kit. The Brewer unit is also one of the best pedicure kits out there. It's perfect for home use, travel, beauty center, spa, and many other places. We love a nice design which is very practical. It also looks very professional and delivers professional outcomes as well. The battery run unit comes with 18 speed settings and adjusting the speed is easy. Therefore finding the most suitable is not a problem. It runs smoothly and also silently. This ensures the surrounding is quiet. You can use it at night and won't disturb other people. And with a total of 24 attachments, you'll practically do anything on your nails or feet. It cuts nails, removes calluses, eliminates dead skin, and smoothens nails, and much more. The attachments are very safe and also sanitary. This is courtesy of the stainless steel construction. They won't fade, corrode, or rust. Also, the smooth finish makes cleaning them pretty easy. And to improve the visibility, it comes with a built-in LED light. This allows you to see any imperfections and also saves you from straining your eyes. The decent rotation speed of 2000 to 5,600 different tackle things quite well. It operates in dual direction and will run both clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. This improves its performance and efficiency as well. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.